Hi everyone. Yesterday video I explained about the factors, how to find the factors we explained. Today we will discussing about the prime and composite numbers. Prime and composite numbers. What is the prime number and what is the composite number? Before that, I will explain one example. See, suppose 21. Okay, next one. And 23. Right? 21 and 23. Observe it, everyone. See, we will write the factors of 21 and 23. Okay. See, what are the factors of the 21? What are those? 121 ja 21 and 3 7 ja 20. 171 ja 17, 121 ja 21 and 3 7 ja 21. Factors, what are those? 1, 3, 7 and 20. Factors of 21, what are those? 1, 3, 7 and 20. Okay, let it be. One of this. Then here 21 what? 123 ja 23 and 23 ja 23. 23 we can't write product of two numbers. Only one time we will write. Then factors, what are those? Factors, what are those? 1 and 23. 1 and 23. Okay, next one more thing. Here 32. What it will be? 132 ja 32. Right product of two numbers. Then 216 ja 32. Okay. Next, 4 8 ja 32. Next, 8 4 ja 32, 9. That's it. Factors, what are those 32 factors? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. These are all the factors of 32. Factors of 21, factors of 23, factors of 32. See next one. 17. 17 factors. 117 is 17. Only one time we can write product of two numbers. We can't write more. 17. Then factors, what are those? 17 and 1. 1 and 17. Factors of 17. 1 and 7. Listen very careful. Listen it now. See, factors of 17 are 1 and 17. Factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7, 21. And factors of 23, 1 and 23 only. Then factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. These are the factors of 32. Observe it, children. In these two numbers are having only two factors. Then two numbers are having more than two factors. Separate it. Okay. See, 17 and 23 having only two factors. Only two factors. 7 and 23 is having only two factors. Then here be 21 and 32. More than two factors. More than two factors. 2, 17, 23, only two factors. 21 and 32 are having more than two factors. Okay? See, the number is having only two factors. only two factor means we will call prime numbers. If the numbers are having only two factors, if the numbers are having only two factors, those numbers we will call prime numbers. Prime numbers, only two factors, prime numbers. And second time, more than two factors. The numbers are having more than two factors, we will call composite numbers. More than two factors, we will call composite numbers. Okay? Only two factor means prime number, more than two factor means composite number. Remember this one? Okay? Prime and composite numbers. Next one. See children, 1 into 1, 1. See here, factors of 1. Factors of 1, only 1. Some are having 2, some are having more than 1. But only 1 is having only one factor itself, that is having itself, that is itself number. This we will say 1 is a neither prime number nor composite number. Okay, 1 is a neither prime number nor composite numbers. Okay, now we will explain few examples. I will separate the prime and composite number. The two factor means prime numbers, more than two factor means composite number, only 1. 1 is a neither prime number nor composite number. See children here, I am writing the separating the prime and composite numbers. See, 2, 4, 8, 6, 8. Two factors, 1 into 2. 1 comma 2. 4 factors, 1 into 4. 2 2 ja 4. Means what? 1, 2, 4. 6 means 1 into 6. 2 3 ja 6. How many? 1, 2, 3, 6. 8. 1 into 8. 2 4 ja 8. Which one? 1, 2, 4, 8. See here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. All except. See. 8 after 10, 12, 6, 14, 16, 18, 20. Continuation infinity. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 12, 20. These all we will say even numbers. Even numbers. See, observe it. 2 is also even number. This is having 2 factors. This is 3 factors. This is 4 factors. This is 4 factors. We will get more. See, here more than 2 factors is there. Means what? This is a composite number. This is also composite number. This is also composite number because of more than 3 factors are there. But here only even number. 2 is a even number, but only 2 factors are there. That is a prime number. Means what? What you understood here? All the even numbers are composite numbers. All the even numbers are composite numbers, then except 2. Okay, all the even numbers are composite number except 2. Remember it, this is very very important. Which is a even composite number? Which number is a even composite number? Not. Which number is a even prime number? Which number is a even prime number? 2 is a even prime number. Remaining all odd prime numbers only. Okay. Only even prime number is 2. Remaining all prime numbers are odd numbers. Remember it this way. Not all odd numbers are prime numbers. Some composite numbers also is there. Okay, that also I will explain. 9 and 9 it will be 3 3 is 9, 1 3 9. 9 is a composite numbers. Not all odd numbers also prime numbers. Okay, 2 is a even prime number. Remember it everyone. Now, next one. See 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30. These are all we will say composite numbers. These are we will say composite numbers. Next prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. These are all we will say prime numbers. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, like this. All those numbers we will say prime numbers. Those are we will say prime numbers. These are composite numbers. These are prime numbers. Okay, children. Next one. The difference between the two prime numbers. Difference between two prime numbers. Difference between two prime numbers is 2. These numbers we will call twin primes. Twin primes. What is that? If the difference between two prime numbers, compulsory, the difference means subtraction. You have to do subtraction. The difference between two prime numbers is 2. Those type of numbers we will call twin primes. Example 5 comma 3, 5 minus 3 2. Next 7 comma 5, 7 minus 5 3 is 9. Next it will be 13 11. Difference is 2. Next 17 19. Difference is 2. Only difference compulsory should 2. These type of numbers we will call prime numbers. Prime numbers. Next 3 5 7. Continuation is there. 3 5 7. Continuation. See children, 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 3 also 2. Continuation is there. 7 minus 5 2. 5 minus 3. Continuation difference is 2. 7 after it will be 11 13. The gap it will be more. Difference it will be more. Only these. 7 minus 5 2, 5 minus 3 2. Till it will be more also. See, difference is 2. In this between difference it will be 3. Difference it will be 3. This one we will say prime triples. This one we will say prime triples. The difference between the 3 prime numbers is 2. In between the 3 prime numbers, difference is 2. Those type of prime numbers we will call prime triple. Prime triple. Okay? Prime triples. Next one. What is the co-primes? The common factor is 1. If the common factor is 1, those type of numbers we will call co-primes. Means what? Common factor is 1. Common factor is 1. Those type of factors, those type of numbers we will call co-primes. See children, I am writing about 7, 10 I am taking. See, prime factors are 7, 10. Here 10 factors 1, 2, 5, 10. Factors of 7. Factors of 7. 1, 7. Factors of 7. 1, 2, 5, 7. Common factor is what? Common factor is 1. Like this, numbers we will say co-primes. These type of numbers we will say co-primes. Okay, children. Thank you. Next video I will explain about the prime factorization method and common multiples. LCM, least common multiples. Next video will be. Okay. Thank you, children.